We've got an update on the possibility of Gate McKenzie leaving the GNU. The update is that he's probably staying. Okay, so if you didn't know, Gate McKenzie has threatened to leave the GNU based on two main things. One, the fact that he felt that his party was being disrespected by Dada Moreno, and two, the fact that his deputy Kenny Kunene had not been reinstated as Joburg's transport MMC, despite the fact that he had been cleared of all allegations linked to the murder investigation that got him suspended. But an agreement was supposedly met between the ANC and the PA last week, allegedly in relation to Kenny Kunene's reinstatement. Now, an ANC Gauteng spokesperson has reacted to Gaten's claims, saying, "It was never our problem. It was them who removed Kenny. It was them who is bringing Kenny back. How did you give us an ultimatum? It is illogical to say the least. We really do not have an issue. Our problem is them throwing tantrums like they are young kids." From the sounds of this statement, it seems like Kunene is being reinstated. And it sounds like the ANC isn't too happy about Gaten's threats to leave the GNU. ANC officials have also emphasized the idea that when faced with challenges, members of the GNU should not jump so quickly to threats of an exit. About Gaten's statements, Fikile Mbalula said, "That's not the way we build a national spirit around this convergence that South Africans support. It looks like we are delinquent and childish and immature."